3, 2, 1.
What part of the brain controls body position, coordination, and balance? The answer is B, cerebellum. What was the first play Shakespeare wrote? The answer is D, Henry VI, Part 1. What does the term beta in software refers to? The answer is B, test version. What does the name of the popular Indonesian dish mie goreng mean? The answer is D, fried noodles. Which one of these rivers is not located in Asia? The answer is D, Segura. What is the unit for seconds? The answer is D, second. Who set the record for the most people playing a musical instrument simultaneously? The answer is B, Michael Jackson. Which language has the most speakers worldwide? The answer is A, Mandarin. Which economic theory states that the price of a good or service adjusts to balance supply and demand? The answer is B, law of supply. Which insect has the largest brain relative to body size? The answer is D, honeybee. Which is Michelangelo's most famous sculpture? The answer is A, David. What description refers to the brightest and most valuable red of July's gemstone, the ruby? The answer is C, pigeon blood red. What is the name of the star that exploded to create the Crab Nebula? The answer is D, Nova Star. A Tale of Two Cities, one novel by Dickens. What is it named? The answer is B, A Tale of Two Cities. Which fashion designer was known for his love of fur and his fur and frills collection? The answer is C, John Galliano. Which of these companies recycled old sneakers to make tennis courts? The answer is A, Nike. In the movie Goodfellas, Henry Hill, played by actor Ray Liotta, lived in what New York borough? The answer is B, Brooklyn. Which language uses Latin script? The answer is D, Portuguese. Dr. Jumba Jakiba, Mrs. Hasegawa, and Pleakley are characters in which Disney cartoon? The answer is B, Lilo Stitch. What is the name of the first European to reach Tibet? The answer is B. Antonio de Andrade. Who is Pluto's first owner? The answer is A. Minnie Mouse. Which is a step in the process of photosynthesis? The answer is A. Plants taking in carbon dioxide. Which hormone controls growth? The answer is D. Growth hormone. Which word is defined as a great deal of fuss or trouble? The answer is B. Bodsi. Who played James Bond for the first time on screen? The answer is C. Sean Connery. When did the pond have less heat energy? The answer is B. When people skated on it. Who made this popular statement in July 1969? That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. The answer is C. Neil Armstrong. What is the study of beauty, art, and taste called? The answer is D. Aesthetics. Which of the following is an acquired human characteristic? The answer is D. Verbal accent. Which is the smallest country in the world? The answer is D. Liechtenstein. What is the first step in protein synthesis? The answer is B. Transcription. What is the name for an underground layer of rock that is saturated with groundwater? The answer is C. Aquifer. What vegetable is typically used in stir-fries and can be purple or green? The answer is B. Eggplant. While a doctoral student, T.S. Eliot studied Buddhism and Indic philology, learning Sanskrit and Pali to read the religious texts. What languages did Eliot study/learn in prep school? The answer is C. Latin, Greek, French, and German. Which battle was the bloodiest in WW2? The answer is A. Battle of Stalingrad. What is the name of Alexander the Great's horse? The answer is A. Bucephalus. With which sport is Margaret Smith Court associated? The answer is A. Tennis. Vukodlak is one of the Slavonic names of which scary mythical monster? The answer is A. Werewolf. What do Ronald Reagan, King Henry Roman VIII, Charles Lindbergh, Jerry Stiller, Mel Brooks, and William Shakespeare have in common? The answer is B. Each was married to a woman named Anne. Which facility, located in Quezon City, Philippines, was nicknamed the Big Dome? The answer is C. Araneta Coliseum. Which country has the most representatives in the United Nations General Assembly? The answer is C. China. Which animal can climb trees? The answer is C. Sloth. In the 1984 movie Red Dawn, Colonel Bella, the commander of the invading forces in Calumet, was an officer in what nation's invading army? The answer is D. Cuba. Who designed the first pair of blue jeans? The answer is A. Levi Strauss. A student determines the mass of a sample on a triple beam balance. What should the student do before determining the mass of the next sample? The answer is B. Move all of the riders to 0. Which game introduced Solid Snake? The answer is A. Metal Gear Solid. On internet chats, what do the letters NSFL mean? The answer is C. Not safe for life. A lack of illumination would result in which of these? The answer is C. A student unable to view what he is writing. How did director James Cameron get the idea for the 1989 movie The Abyss? The answer is A. From a lecture in high school. Which furniture is traditionally made from willow or wicker?